Hi, I'm Emeline. I've joined from France for an internship at Hidesign. Today, I try my hand at crafting a Hobbies at Hidesign wallet with our master craftsperson Suraj. With no experience and just an instruction manual, I get started. There's a lot of sneaking peeks at Suraj's work, as you can see. I started off quite strong, though a bit slower than Suraj. But I was getting the hang of it. The hobby kits are designed to be easy to use at home, so it was not that complicated. Halfway through, I was stuck. Suraj gives me a hand, and it makes a big difference. My takeaway from the experience is that it's amazing how fast a craftsperson hand moves. Every stitch and knot was perfect. I learned that handcrafting is an art that takes years to master. But I'm glad I got to make my own wallet.